Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lysha and I'm the owner of Lysha Be Creative. Today's video is a bit different for my channel. I'm actually going to be showing you some of these tumbler tools from Kellbell Customs. I have been using them in my everyday use, so I felt like I needed to share them with all of you as well. So of course, everything I use today will be listed and linked down below, as well as any discount codes I have for you. But let's go ahead and get into checking out these wonderful tumbler tools from Kellbell Custom. Let's go. All right, so I wanted to start by unboxing all of the items because there are a few items that you will need to put together. So again, this is from Kellbell Custom, from Kelly over there. She sent me these tumbler tools, which again, I've been using in my everyday use. Every time I'm making a tumbler, I'm using one of these. So this first one, and I'm going to go into detail too. This first one is the glass can and snow globe glass lid assistant. So these are perfect for your 16-ounce cups for doing the lids, whether you're painting them, what have you. This is the adjustable lid assistant. So this would be for your larger bamboo lids, like your 15-ounce, mugs, or doing the screw top lids that I often do on my channel here. Perfect for those as well, because you can secure it and ensure that the lid is going to fit in there and be able to rhinestone or paint or glitter, whatever you want to do with your lids without having to worry about your lid falling out. This is, of course, a 4-inch cup cradle, perfect for smaller glass cans. I showed this in one of my most recent videos when I was doing the glass can and a rhinestone pen. These are little stoppers that are perfect for plugging the hole of your, lids when you need to paint them. Then this one you had to attach. So this was the 6-inch cradle with the attachable rulers along the side, and then this is another version, but this is more of a cup stand. Then you put on the rulers on the side, which help you measure evenly your decals when applying them, and I'm going to show that. And then it is a stand because it has that back piece that kind of goes right into the back so that you can adjust it and be able to place your decal straight at any height that you feel most comfortable applying your decal. So, of course, those are the goodies, and we're going to get into a little bit of a more detailed look at each of these because I want to give you guys kind of the first look at how you're going to use them and not just kind of what it looks like after the fact. So the first thing that I'm kind of showing off here is the 4-inch cup cradle. So yes, this is good for smaller cups, yes. And, but I also have used it for my bigger cups. So what I love about this cup cradle, both of them, both the 6-inch and the 4-inch, whatever you feel most comfortable using, I definitely say snag. I love that it has like these little foam pieces on top that really make it easy to roll my cup when I'm doing something like line work. I don't know about you, but most of us struggle, right, with getting our washi tape lines, our vinyl lines on straight and being able to really be able to maneuver our cup smoothly without it kind of jostling all over the place is super important so that you can really focus on keeping your hand steady and being able to get your line work on straight. So this is perfect because it rotates, my cup rotates so smoothly in this cup cradle that I don't have to worry about, my lines going on wonky or going on weird, but it's also secure enough that I don't have to worry about like my cup rolling off or the cup cradle sort of sliding all over my table too, which sometimes can happen with some of the other cup cradles that I have been using in my craft space. So I love the cup cradle. Easy, hands down, really simple product to use. This also is something new to me. Now you guys know I am a girl who am just like a stick it and hope and just cross my fingers that that decal goes on straight. But with this handy cup cradle, like cup stand with the rulers, you can ensure that you are getting your decals on straight every single time. And for a girl like me who is just a stick it and hope that it works and hopes that it goes on as straight as possible, that's important for me because I am one who struggles sometimes with getting that decal on straight. So this is one of my favorite tools for those decal applications for sure. Next up, I want to show you guys the lid assistant. So you guys did just recently see this in one of my latest YouTube tutorials, but in case you haven't gone back to watch that video, I want to show you this here again. So those little pink inserts, those are the little lid stoppers that you can use in your bamboo lids. You kind of just remove the silicone piece, you kind of just push and twist that in, and it stays there so that you can ensure that you are painting and not getting any paint inside of the whole area. It really helps if you're gonna do something like UV resin, right? Preventing from the UV resin from getting in there while you're spreading the UV resin on. So I really love these and love to use them when I'm doing my bamboo lids. I haven't yet tried them or thought to try them on other sizes cups like the slurp or the screw top lids that I've been using. I'm not sure if they would be small enough to fit in there. That hole in the center is a little bit smaller than I think a bamboo lid, but any of the bamboo lids definitely fit with these little lid stoppers and make it so simple and so easy to be able to paint and not have to worry about, you know, the cleanup potentially if you accidentally overpaint a section. So this is, again, the lid assistant. This is for your smaller glass cans, so like 16-ounce glass cans. This isn't going to fit like a 15-ounce mug lid, bamboo lid, or anything like that. But what I love about this smaller version is that I can paint, I can rhinestone, and I don't have to worry about the awkwardness of when you're holding the lid in your hand and you've painted it, right? But you don't want to hold it while it's drying necessarily to try and awkwardly set it down, of course, and hope that you don't scratch up or scuff up the paint and have to do touch-ups. So I love that this is just like simple, that I can just literally hold it in my hands. I can place it anywhere on my table space that I need, and it's not going to be in the way. It's going to keep it away from other things that might chip the paint or might mess up the rhinestones. And it really just makes for easy use, especially for me, because I am someone who likes to rhinestone while inside watching TV or up in my room in my bed. And so I can hold this as close to myself as I need to without having to like hunch over something and, you know, end up with like neck and back pain because I'm rhinestoning something, you know, directly on my tabletop. So absolutely love this. I don't do a whole lot of glass cans necessarily, but I do find that I have been using them more because, of course, we're getting into like the warmer summer season and people are looking for like quick, easy to go kind of style cups. And so glass cans are super popular. So I have been getting into doing those a bit more as of recently. So this is the other lid assistant. This is the adjustable lid assistant though. So this is for your larger bamboo lids, your acrylic tops, your slurp or screw top lids, which I'm showing you here. And so same thing here is you'll just put your cup in there, you'll push it up against the one side and then use that little levered area to push flush against the other edge of your cup and then screw it. Be sure though not to over screw it because you don't want to damage it or break it. So just be careful when you are screwing them in. You want them to be, you know, it to be like tight but not over tightened, if that makes a bit of sense there. But same thing like the other lid assistant, but this is for larger. So all of the same things that I love about the smaller lid assistant, this is perfect for all of the cups that I do typically bling lids for. So these lids, I do a lot of glass snow globe mugs recently, so those have been really easy to be able to put in here. The other thing that fits really well in these is the 40-ounce tumbler lids as well. So I have a bunch of like simply modern style cups that I've been working with, and you guys are going to see a tutorial coming up soon. And that lid fits in here as well. So I don't have to worry about, again, holding it awkwardly in my hand, getting a hand cramp, you know, hunched over. I can do this in my living room while watching TV, in my bed, you know, all of that good stuff. I just think that these are so awesome to use. So fun, so easy. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was kind of short and sweet, but I wanted to show you kind of these, you know, tools and things that I love to use. And you can check out the brand new discount code we have for Kellbell Custom, which is code Lysha, down in the description box. But that is it for me. You guys know that I will be back here next Saturday with a full tutorial, and I hope to see you then. But I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!